Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the Wi-Fi adapter and connecting to the exact network you'll measure. Once connected, open a data monitoring app or the router's admin page so you can read live counters. Make sure to log in with correct credentials, otherwise you won't see per device stats. Now record the baseline number of MB shown. That starting value lets you calculate actual throughput. This first step avoids guesswork and makes the subsequent measurements reliable and repeatable. You should run a controlled transfer. Download a known file or stream media for a fixed interval, like 60 seconds, so the math is simple. While the transfer runs, watch the live MB counter on your app or the router's client list and note the delta from baseline. Repeat the same test at different distances and at different times of day to capture variability from interference or congestion. Once you have several trials, compute an average MB per minute to represent typical performance. You finish by subtracting the baseline from the final reading to get MB used, then normalize that to per minute or per hour rates for comparisons. If numbers look lower than expected, check Wi-Fi channel congestion, signal strength, firmware updates, and any background apps eating bandwidth. These factors commonly reduce throughput. If problems persist, reboot the router and device, switch between 2, 4 and 5 GHz bands, or perform the same test over a wired connection to confirm whether.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.